Welcome to our captivating journey through the realm of robotics. In this video, we delve into the top 20 humanoid robots, marveling at their remarkable advancements in artificial intelligence and human-like features. Join us as we explore the cutting-edge technology shaping the future of robotics. Unitary Robotics unveiled the G1, a 166,000 USD humanoid robot, akin to a small car. This technological marvel surpasses its 150,000 USD predecessor, offering enhanced capabilities. Featuring hollow joint wiring for flexibility, it boasts 23 to 43 joint motors, human-like hands, and three-fingered grippers for precise object manipulation. The G1 excels in adaptability, utilizing imitation and reinforcement learning for diverse tasks, from household chores to industrial applications. Operating at 2 meters per second, it manages tasks efficiently but requires frequent recharging due to its 2-hour battery life. The G1 signifies a significant leap in humanoid robotics accessibility and advancement. The Tesla bot, also referred to as Optimus, epitomizes a pioneering advancement in humanoid robotics, presently undergoing development by Tesla Incorporated. Elon Musk unveiled Optimus Gen 2 in September 2022, presenting an upgraded iteration endowed with enhanced capabilities surpassing mere locomotion and communication. Initially showcased at Tesla's Artificial Intelligence (AI) Day event on 19 August 2021, CEO Elon Musk hinted at the potential construction of a prototype by 2022. Positioned as an autonomous humanoid, the Tesla bot endeavors to address tasks categorized as unsafe, repetitive, or mundane. With commitments to improved walking speed, refined hand dexterity, tactile sensing, and various other enhancements, Optimus Gen 2 is poised for a potential release by the culmination of 2024. The proposed specifications delineate a height of 5 feet 8 inches and a weight of 57 kilograms for the Tesla bot, boosting a carrying capacity of 20 kilograms. Controlled by the same AI system currently in development for Tesla's Advanced Driver Assistance System, it's tailored for tasks deemed hazardous, repetitive, or tedious, such as manufacturing assistance. Despite initial hurdles, including the imperative to design and fabricate custom actuators due to the absence of suitable off-the-shelf options, Tesla has made remarkable progress. By September 2023, the company unveiled a video demonstrating Optimus engaging in novel activities, showcasing its proficiency in sorting colored blocks, spatial limb localization, and flexibility through yoga poses. The Unri H1 represents a significant advancement in humanoid robotics, originating from Unri, an innovative Chinese startup recognized for its expertise in quadruped robotics. Standing at approximately 180 centimeters tall and weighing around 47 kilograms, the H1 debuts as Unri's first humanoid robot. Enhanced with a 3D LiDAR sensor and depth camera for perception. The H1 possesses the ability to gather precise spatial data and conduct panoramic scanning. Internally, it features high-torque joint motors and gear trains, delivering a maximum joint torque of 360 nanometers. With 5 degrees of freedom in the leg joints and 4 in the arms, the Unri H1 utilizes embodied AI technology, integrating advanced algorithms and machine learning techniques to interact intelligently with its surroundings. Displaying human-like understanding and response capabilities, the H1 demonstrates versatile and precise movements across various applications. It autonomously navigates and traverses complex terrains and environments, achieving a walking speed exceeding 1.5 meters per second and a potential top speed surpassing 5 meters per second. Notably, its competitive pricing, below $90,000, democratize access to advanced robotic technology, expanding its applicability to a broader market. Despite its lightweight construction and towering stature, the H-1 maintains stability even under significant shocks at its stability points. With a leg length of 400 mm and an arm length of 338 mm, the H-1 showcases remarkable physical specifications, enabling its deployment across diverse industries, services, and applications, signaling the onset of a new industrial revolution in robotics. PAL Robotics in Spain introduced their prototype REM in 2013. Standing at 1.70 meters, REM boasts 22 degrees of freedom, allowing for a wide range of movements. Equipped with a mobile base featuring wheels, it can gracefully traverse at speeds of up to 4 kilometers per hour. Its upper body showcases a torso housing a touch screen, two articulate arms that provide expressive gestures, and a motorized head completing its human-like features. 17th April 2024 marked the debut of a fully electric iteration of Atlas by Boston Dynamics. This new version boasts an enriched range of movements compared to its predecessor. Empowered by an advanced control system and cutting-edge hardware, it showcases remarkable athleticism and agility, establishing a pioneering benchmark in robotics. For industrial applications, PAL Robotics presents Talos, a humanoid robot engineered to tackle heavy lifting tasks with precision and robust sensing capabilities. As the inaugural platform of the Talos robot series from PAL Robotics, it's named PYRENE and will be utilized by the La CNRS Geppetto team for research on navigation, anthropomorphic movements, and environmental interaction. The goal is to integrate Talos into a novel factory concept, enabling its participation in physically demanding tasks or operations carried out in hostile conditions unsuitable for humans. In August 2023, the unveiling of Apollo marked a significant advancement in humanoid robotics, specifically tailored for warehouse operations. Developed by Apptronik, headquartered in Austin, Texas, Apollo boasts a modular design, integrated LED features, and a runtime of 4 hours, showcasing the latest in robotic innovation. Apptronik's ambition is to pioneer a practical general-purpose robot, priced at less than $100,000, with a production target of 1 million units by 2030. They plan to reveal a prototype in early 2024. The company has its origins in the Human-Centered Robotics Lab at the University of Texas at Austin, stemming from its involvement in the 2015 DARPA Robotics Challenge. Chief Technology Officer and co-founder, Nick Payne, played a significant role in enhancing next-gen actuation and controls for NASA, marking Apptronik's initial contract focused on robotics. The creation of the Apollo's humanoid robot is a collaboration between Apptronik Inc., a small business in Austin, Texas, and NASA. Engineered for versatile applications such as logistics, manufacturing, home delivery, and patient care, Apollo also holds promise for space missions, assisting astronauts on the Moon, Mars, and serving as remote avatars for Earth-based operators. Standing at 1.7 meters tall and weighing 72.6 kilograms, Apollo can lift up to 25 kilograms, 55 pounds. Operating on electricity rather than traditional hydraulic systems, it features a 4-hour battery, swappable to sustain a 22-hour workday. Its modular design allows for mounting on various platforms and configurations, with LED indicators serving as communication tools. Apollo's adaptability enables easy reconfiguration for different tasks, accommodating varying levels of autonomy and tool utilization. Leveraging NASA's expertise ensures safe operation alongside humans. Initially focusing on logistics to address labor shortages, Apptronik foresees Apollo tackling diverse tasks across sectors in the coming decade. Rooted in the design of NASA's Valkyrie robot, Apollo underwent years of refinement to operate effectively in human-designed environments. Its primary computing system resides in its chest, supported by integrated sensors for orientation and obstacle navigation, crucial for venturing into uncertain environments like outdoor settings and potentially the lunar surface. LeMX Dynamics stands as a pioneering force in the realm of general-purpose robotics, supported by extensive academic and technological prowess. Their primary focus revolves around researching, developing, and manufacturing exceptional general-purpose robots propelled by embodied AI technology. Their product range encompasses humanoid robots, wheeled quadruped robots, and comprehensive robotic software and hardware solutions, catering to a diverse array of industries such as automotive manufacturing, industrial inspections, logistics and distribution, specialized operations, and household services, addressing both B2B and B2C markets. Since their inception in 2005, LeMX Dynamics has fostered collaborative partnerships with renowned scholars and esteemed institutions worldwide, driving pioneering research in robotics, software algorithms, and AI. Committed to catalyzing disruptive innovation within the robotics sphere, their pursuit of a versatile general-purpose robot capable of navigating diverse terrains and executing various mobile manipulation tasks stands poised to redefine societal norms and bridge the gap between humans and robots. Through their unwavering dedication to technological advancement, LeMX Dynamics aims to unlock the full potential of robotics, empowering humanity to achieve unprecedented heights. Digit, an innovative humanoid robot crafted by Agility Robotics, embodies the company's ambitious mission to engineer legged machines capable of maneuvering environments akin to humans. Introduced in 2019 as Agility's second venture into bipedal robotics following the launch of their initial platform, Cassie, in 2016, Digit is intricately engineered for dynamic mobility, featuring agile limbs and a sensor-rich torso facilitating seamless navigation through complex surroundings and the execution of tasks such as package delivery. Standing at a height of 155 centimeters and weighing 42.2 kilograms, Digit integrates advanced components including 4 Intel RealSense depth cameras, multiple IMUs, and precise encoders for proprioception. Supported by 2 Intel i7 multi-thread CPUs for robust processing capabilities. Its adaptability extends to a payload bay accommodating additional computing hardware, such as Intel NUC or NVIDIA Jetson, enhancing its perception and machine learning capabilities. Digit's design prioritizes seamless integration into human environments and replication of human workflows, enabling it to excel in diverse tasks ranging from unloading trucks to moving boxes in warehouse. Its versatility positions it as a crucial tool in logistics and warehouse operations, with the latest iteration optimized for human-robot interaction, HRI, and furnished with manipulators tailored for handling totes. Essential plastic bins controlling goods flow in warehouse. While Digit's hands deviate from anatomically human-like structures, they are purposefully engineered for efficient tote manipulation. The robot's primary function, complemented by its ability to walk, step up on curbs, crouch, and execute other actions. Agility Robotics aims to commence large-scale manufacturing of Digit robots, with partner shipments scheduled for early 2024 and general availability anticipated the following year. Supplemented by a partner program facilitating adoption among Digit's initial commercial clientele. The Fourier GR1, engineered by Fourier Intelligence, marks a groundbreaking advancement in healthcare robotics, with a focus on improving caregiving efficacy and strength. Standing at 165 centimeters tall and weighing 121 pounds, the GR1 showcases impressive self-balancing capabilities and can achieve a maximum walking speed of around 3 miles per hour. Equipped with 40 FSA joints providing 44 full-body degrees of freedom, this humanoid robot harnesses embodied AI technology, offering a scalable platform for testing and validating various AI models and algorithms. With its ability to handle weights up to 110 pounds, the GR1 demonstrates versatility in maneuvering through obstacles, manipulating tools, and aiding in physical therapy tasks, presenting promising opportunities for revolutionizing caregiving practices, particularly for elderly individuals living independently. Fourier Intelligence's ambitious initiative aims to produce 100 units of the GR1 by the end of 2023, initially focusing on outfitting them with fundamental hardware-software functionalities. These units will be deployed to research and development labs to refine and enhance the robot's intelligence and capabilities before broader adoption. The emergence of the GR1 signifies a significant advancement in integrating humanoid robots into caregiving roles, offering a potential solution to the challenges posed by aging populations worldwide. The Cyber One, a humanoid creation by Xiaomi, a prominent Chinese electronics manufacturer, stands impressively tall at approximately 177 centimeters and weighs around 52 kilograms. With 21 degrees of freedom, it replicates human movements with remarkable precision. Powered by Xiaomi's in-house developed MySense depth vision module and AI interaction algorithm, the Cyber One perceives its surroundings in vivid 3D. Adept at recognizing individuals, gestures, and expressions. Further bolstering its environmental awareness are Xiaomi's proprietary MyAI environment semantics recognition engine and vocal emotion identification engine, enabling it to discern 85 types of environmental sounds and categorize 45 human emotions accurately. Featuring processing units coupled with a curved OLED module, the Cyber One provides real-time interactive information display. Capable of lifting weights up to 1.5 kilograms with its arms, it exhibits potential utility in tasks such as carrying groceries. However, it's important to recognize that while the Cyber One serves as a technological showcase and a platform for broader research and development endeavors, Xiaomi has not yet committed to mass-producing it. The company's vision, though, underscores its commitment to advancing in the realm of intelligent robotics, with plans to integrate the showcase technology into future Xiaomi products. While the availability of Cyber One for purchase remains uncertain, Xiaomi remains steadfast in its belief that intelligent robots will inevitably become part of people's lives, reaffirming its dedication to progress in this burgeoning field. Walker is crafted to serve as a nimble and intelligent companion, functioning as a bipedal humanoid robot with the aspiration of becoming an essential part of human existence. With its complete body flexibility and control, it ensures safety during interactions with people, boosting arms capable of emulating human movements. This robot excels in achieving steady walking across various terrains and possesses the ability to communicate with humans through speech recognition or by mirroring facial expressions, thereby expressing a wide spectrum of 28 emotions. Built on Toyota's robotics platform, THR3 is the innovative creation of the company's partner robot division, meticulously crafted and refined. It serves as an experimental platform to test technologies that enable safe physical interactions between robots and their surroundings. THR3 also introduces an innovative remote control system, enabling the robot to mimic the movements of its operator. With its adaptable features, the robot shows potential in providing safe assistance in various environments. The master control system allows intuitive operation of the robot's entire body, with wearable controls translating the operator's hand, arm, and foot movements into corresponding actions executed by the robot. Asimo, created by Honda in 2000, is a humanoid robot primarily designed for search and rescue tasks. It can recognize objects, postures, and sounds, and has two-camera eyes and multilingual abilities. Currently on display at the Miraikan Museum in Tokyo, Japan, Honda ceased Asimo's development and production in July 2018 to focus on other applications. Asimo's last active demonstration was in March 2022, as Honda shifted focus to developing remote-controlled, avatar-style robots. Over 4 models of Asimo were released, with the initial model introduced in 2002. Asimo's abilities include recognizing movements, gestures, and environmental cues, enabling interactions with humans. Equipped with 2 camera eyes, Asimo can track individuals and respond to voice commands and gestures. It can recognize companions by their voices and faces, and autonomously navigate its environment using various sensors to detect obstacles and floor surfaces. These features enhance Asimo's capability to navigate and adapt to different situations. On 2 March 2024, OpenAI announced its progress in integrating its technology into humanoid robots, partnering with Figure AI, a specialist in AI robotics and the creation of humanoid robots for workforce use. Figure AI, founded in 2022 in Sunnyvale, California, gained recognition for introducing Figure 01, a highly adaptable robot known for its human-like motions. This collaboration aims to address labor shortages and enhance supply chains, with Figure AI currently serving clients throughout the United States. At Xiaopeng Automotive Tech Day, Xiaopeng Motors unveiled the PX5, their first self-developed humanoid bipedal robot. It boasts exceptional walking and obstacle crossing abilities with advanced joints for stability. Indoors or outdoors, it can traverse obstacles for over 2 hours. The PX5 has lightweight arms, dexterous hands, and a hybrid drive scheme for easy object manipulation. Weighing just 430 g, it integrates control and drive with tactile perception. Though 1.5 m tall now, future versions aim for longer strides, targeting 10 km with a load and 100 km without stumbling. In May 2023, Sanctuary AI introduced Phoenix, hailed as the world's first humanoid general-purpose robot driven by Carbon, a groundbreaking AI control system. Recognized as the sole general-purpose robot featured in Time's Best Inventions 2023, Phoenix utilizes the state-of-the-art Carob AI system to adeptly perform various tasks, including object manipulation and organization. With its full-body mobility and human-like hands, Phoenix represents a significant leap forward in robotics, offering unparalleled adaptability and utility across a spectrum of workplace scenarios. Standing at 5 feet 7 inches and weighing 155 pounds, Phoenix exhibits human-like characteristics, boasting a maximum payload capacity of 55 pounds and a top speed of 3 miles per hour. Its cutting-edge robotic hands feature 20 degrees of freedom, delivering precision and dexterity akin to human hands, enhanced by proprietary haptic technology for precise tactile feedback. Additionally, Phoenix showcases refined aesthetics, characterized by an eye-catching design palette and polished textures that seamlessly blend functionality with visual appeal. Fueled by Carbon, a specialized cognitive architecture and software platform tailored for humanoid general-purpose robots, Phoenix integrates advanced AI technologies to interpret natural language commands into tangible actions. Carbon empowers Phoenix to autonomously reason and execute tasks with precision, ensuring transparency and accountability in decision-making processes. Equipped with capabilities like deep learning and reinforcement learning, Carbon enables humanoid robots such as Phoenix to excel in diverse environments, guaranteeing adaptable and efficient performance. Sanctuary AI's introduction of Phoenix in May 2023 marks a significant milestone in robotics, presenting a revolutionary humanoid robot driven by Carbon, an innovative AI control system. With its versatile capabilities and cutting-edge technology, Phoenix embodies the future of robotics, poised to transform workplace dynamics across a wide range of industries. NEO stands as a groundbreaking humanoid robot crafted by 1X Technologies, a pioneering Norwegian robotics firm, in collaboration with OpenAI, a renowned leader in AI research. Distinguished by its embodiment of AI, NEO transcends conventional robotics by deeply comprehending its surroundings through a fusion of AI senses and physicality. Unlike its predecessors programmed for singular tasks, NEO embodies continuous learning and improvement, excelling in diverse industrial domains such as security, logistics, and manufacturing. Beyond industrial realms, NEO aspires to redefine home assistance, undertaking household chores, and providing aid to those with mobility impairments. Its potential extends to research applications in psychology and artificial intelligence. Weighing approximately 30 kilograms, NEO prioritizes safety through its soft, organically inspired mechanics, mirroring human muscle movement for seamless navigation. Empowered by advanced AI and an innovative VR teleoperation synchronization mode, NEO autonomously learns and evolves, augmenting its capabilities over time. Anticipated to open for pre-orders by the conclusion of 2023, NEO's imminent release heralds a significant milestone in the widespread deployment of AI. Humanoid robots symbolize an extraordinary blend of robotics, artificial intelligence, and human-like engagement. With their lifelike appearance, advanced senses, and intelligent algorithms, they're transforming our interactions with robots. As technology advances, humanoid robots offer immense potential to enhance various industries and improve human lives in numerous ways. The University of Tehran's newest humanoid robot, Surena 4, boasts impressive capabilities including grabbing a water bottle, posing for selfies, and writing its own name on a whiteboard. According to IEEE Spectrum, Surena 4 features enhanced tracking abilities and upgraded hands, enabling it to operate power tools. Additionally, it can adjust the angle and position of its feet, enhancing its maneuverability on uneven surfaces. Created by Beyond Imagination, the humanoid robot Beomni is remotely operated by human pilots who utilize virtual reality headsets and other wearable devices like gloves, with AI assistance to aid learning and pave the path towards autonomy. In a 2022 interview with Built-In, Harry Kloor, CEO and co-founder of Beyond Imagination, shared his optimism about Beomni's potential to revolutionize elderly care and tackle routine and risky tasks in diverse industries. Moreover, the company pledged to supply Self Labs with 1,000 humanoid robots over 5 years for integration into a simulated farm game.